Hi guys, so in this video I will be doing a full face of ShopMissA makeup. I filmed this twice actually. Both times were not very good. So the first time I made it, the lighting was terrible, honestly. You guys could barely see what was going on and it just didn't look good, and then the look itself turned out really bad. Not necessarily because the makeup is bad, but because the lighting was so bad that it just didn't look good. But I'm going to actually just refilm and use everything that I have from ShopMissA. I think that just makes more sense. So I do have the brush set as well. I have the high def brush set, 10 brushes brush set. Then I have two other brushes that I got on the side. They're $1 each. I got the F11 and F13. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. First, I'm gonna start off with this foundation. Like I said, I didn't get a primer for them, and I don't use primers almost never use primers, honestly, for them. I have the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream. It's a skin perfecting, color correcting BB cream, and I got it in Rich. So from what I could tell on the really bad lighting that I did this under the last time I filmed this, it did look like it matched. Okay, so it comes out like this. And it's supposed to be a BB cream, so obviously I can't expect super full coverage with a BB cream. That's not what a BB cream is claims to do. So I'm using the ShopMissA high def brush set. I'm using the F1 brush. And I'm going to stipple it in. It's just a stippling brush. So off the bat, I can tell you guys, this looks much better now that I'm doing it now in better lighting. I don't know, the lighting was bad. I think this is just, it's not a matte finish at all. It's a dewy finish, and so the light, the yellow light that I had in my room, which is bouncing off of this foundation, making it look super oily on camera and stuff. And so like in natural lighting though, it's not looking that bad. So this is what my skin is looking like at the moment. I think you can obviously tell, not full coverage at all. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Cover Concealer, HD Concealer in Fawn. So when I first used it, and even now, I can tell you guys it is very thick. I have the Beauty Sponge from ShopMissA, the AOA Studio sponges. This is the pink one that came with for that charity paw charity set they have to give back to animal shelters and whatnot. So this is very thick, and I don't know if it's the sponge, but it's not really blending, and it's actually what is that? It's like clumping, if you guys can see. Yeah, but it's not blending, if you can tell at all, actually. I'm gonna try and use my Rose Techniques brush blender, beauty blender, see if that'll work. I'm gonna spray it. It's blending a little better, but I think you guys can tell it's just not moving. It's just like stuck, and I'm really trying to work and like poke at my face to get this to move. It's not blending great, honestly. So I've tried this concealer a couple times, and that's the problem I've been having a lot with it, is it doesn't really blend away very well. It's the concealer. I am going to kind of brighten up the color and like fix the color a bit with this LA Girl Pro Conceal, which is very, very, very inexpensive as well. Medium beige. So color wise, I don't know. I haven't actually used this. This is brand new. I have this one. But this one's really light, so I wonder. Okay, this might be a good color to kind of balance out. Okay, so I'm gonna use the ShopMissA sponge, see if that works. Yeah, so this sponge works for this particular concealer, so it's not a bad sponge. This is blending it out pretty nicely, actually, so pretty good sponge. I think it's just, it wasn't very good for maybe really thick consistencies. I think that concealer is just really hard to blend. Concealer. Yeah, this actually blends pretty good. I like this tip. It's good for my nose actually. Okay, but my face is pretty much done. I do have a setting powder. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in Banana. I use this AOA Studio brush from F4 to, I guess, yeah, powder. So I know it's very, very powder. Oh my god, it just got all over my hair. Did it get all over my hair? Or was this there as this foundation? I have no idea. I've heard a lot of reviews saying that these setting powders had glitter in them. I do not see any glitter in my shade, and this is the banana shade. So it might just be the translucent shade, which has the, what do you call it? What is that? Glitter. But from what I'm telling, from the banana shade at least, I don't see any glitter whatsoever. What do you call it? Bake under eye. I have this Amuse Pro Eyebrow Pencil. It's the matte, long lasting, and soft black. It has this, it has this side right here, which is nice black. Then it has a spoolie side. So, oh yeah, remembering this now, the spoolie side is really soft, like too soft. Like it doesn't really do much. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. This is actually kind of dark though. It's very soft and a little dark, but it's not terrible. I think for $1 it's decent. Like, I think the main thing is like up here, it's not going to give me like the brow look. Oh my gosh, that is a super rounded brow. Okay, I'm gonna try and brush this out. The spoolie kind of sucks, so yeah, spoolie is not my favorite spoolie. That is not that's very dark. I'm gonna take my brow wiz actually, just because I need to use the spoolie on here. I didn't know you could really make a bad spoolie, but that's not a very good spoolie, honestly. I'm actually going to even this out with this brush, the Anastasia brow wiz, because it's just uneven. Okay, so that's not bad. I'm gonna take this spoolie, actually, the brow wiz spoolie, just to brush out though. Okay. Alright, so that's my brows. They are very dark, so I might, if I got this again, it would be maybe the shade up, which would be like dark brown or something. I'm going to conceal brow. I'm taking an e.l.f. brush and I'm taking this AOA Studio concealer. Okay, so my brows are done. I've just concealed a bit to clean them up with my concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. I have a couple different eye products. I have this Muse Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I also have this AOA Studio or A2O, but this is the Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Right now they're on sale for like $1 each versus the like $3 I think they used to be sold for. So I definitely say you could pick them up now. Then I got these Prism Cream eyeshadows that Tati recommended and said were amazing from YouTube. So I'm just gonna put this white cream. Looks like this. The one thing, these are all shimmers, but they're not very shimmery. I'll say that. But I'm gonna put that all over the lid. This is really patchy right now. I'm gonna keep building it up. I think I'm going for a smoky eye, I guess. So that's basically pretty good. I think if you guys can tell, it's not a bad eyeshadow. It's pretty good. I think for $1, quite honestly, it's like not bad at all. Next, I'm going to use this A2O liquid eyeshadow. So it is in the shade Dust. Looks like this. It's just a purple, dark purple. It looks very pretty. It's not like super bright. Oh my gosh, guys. All of the hairs, if you guys can see, all of the hairs on this thing just came off in the bottle. Can you guys see that? It's all gone. That is really bad, actually. That is so weird. It's basically good product, terrible packaging. Okay, so next I'm going to use, so I'm going to try this orange today. That's the color. It's a very pretty red orange. This is the eye look so far. So it's looking decent. This is a really pretty color. I think I do prefer the silver the most because it's the prettiest color in my opinion out of the three, but they're all really nice though. I don't think I'm gonna use eyeliner though. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do just some fake lashes. So for fake lashes, I think I'm going to try these out right here. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on. They're actually really pretty. I then also went ahead and I took I just went ahead and took the ShopMissA eyeliner. Just because I needed to, what do you call this? Link the inner eye to the black of the eyelash band. My eyes are already feeling a little weird. Even just having just this tiniest amount of eyeliner on, like for the inner corner. My eyes feel so weird already. It's like irritated on both sides, especially this side. Brush off my bake. Oh my god, the bake is falling everywhere. That's not bad. This brush is actually really nice, guys. So I'm gonna take this, and I don't know if I have a like really nice like fluffy brush. So I'm just gonna. This is not gonna be from ShopMissA. This is the random kabuki brush I got here in Japan, from like Loft, I think. And I'm gonna take this from ShopMissA, the Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer. Very shimmery. I think you can kind of tell already. It's not matte. And the name is a shimmer bronzer. So. I honestly though, to be quite honest, I don't think I ordered this, or I thought I had ordered a different bronzer, but I guess I must have ordered this. I'm not sure. On this side. Yeah, this is not bad though. It's shimmery, but not overpoweringly shimmer where I'm like, wow, this would be a highlight. I'm gonna put a bit across my nose. Then I have a highlight. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in Bubbly. Yeah, Bubbly. Oh my gosh, my hand is super itchy. I'm going to take this highlighting fan brush. Take it, and I'm going to highlight a bit. This is not a super like wow highlighter, but it's a nice natural highlight. On the other side, I'm going to try with a what do you call it? A spray. So I'll try it wet. See if that'll make a difference. Yeah, it could be built up though. So I'm going to try and spray this and wet it. The brush, I'm using my Mario Badescu. Okay, I'm gonna dig in there. I think that makes a difference. Yeah, it's a little more, it's definitely a lot more bright, faster. Yeah, if you guys can see. This brush is pretty nice, but it's really big for me. Yeah, so it's not bad at all. It's actually very pretty. I like it. It's good to know. It's good with the a wet brush actually. I think all I have left is liquids. I have several actually. So I'm gonna take the Wonder Matte in Bombshell first. So this is a brown. It's a very warm brown. It's honestly a little too close for me to my skin tone to be a really good matte. It's a little too close. And a little too orange, in my opinion. A little too warm. You guys, I think you can tell. So I have used the lip glosses, especially bubblegum. I really like this. I'm gonna try and use this Muller Metal though, because I haven't really tried these a lot. Taking OMG. Okay, so I just took this ColourPop liquid lippy pencil and Creature, which is like a very, very dark purple red, and I kind of line my lips a bit. It is messy as crap. Very messy actually, but we're gonna go for that. It'll be okay. So I'm just gonna clean up with the AO Studio concealer, and I had to just line it because that color, the Bombshell color, the Wonder Matte from AO Studio, is just not good against the skin tone. So that's good enough. So this is the final look basically. It's not bad. I think basically for $1, the eye product's actually pretty decent. The foundation is it's the BB cream. It's not the best, but I think it's wearable. It's been about an hour and a half. My skin is about the same. So it's not getting too oily at the moment. The powder is actually pretty good. Highlight is pretty good. I won't get another shade. I think I'm good with just bubbly and that's it. But it's not bad. Bronzer is also just okay. I might try another brand's bronzer. Try and find a matte bronzer actually. Lip products are decent. Actually a really big fan of these liquid lip glosses. I've used them I think in one or two of my collab videos. If you've seen those, I use them on top of another lipstick or whatever. So I like those. The brushes are amazing. They're pretty good. I think I'm definitely probably going to take a couple more brushes, and I would definitely recommend getting those. And the sponge is decent. I'll probably get 1 or 2 more sponges to have. So yeah, so it's not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Yeah, and subscribe. See you in my next video.